Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders. Thank you for tuning in to my 2,762nd edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. This video coming at you on a Thursday night is for trading Friday, June 14th, 2024. It is video number 2,762. Risky. This market and every other market that you can think of trading is very risky. So never ever trade any of these markets without putting your protective stops in first, okay? Risky. Let's go see what's going on here. For trading on Friday, June 14th, the Russell 2000, OMNI turns red. The OMNI says the market is running out of steam and it wants me to start selling rallies as of Thursday evening. So that is what we'll do. The OMNI has been killing this with the proper calls. Every video I've shown you, calls have been right on the money. The trades that we belt out each day have been right on the money. A little mishap today. I forgot to get us out on time, but we had a great trade. And the OMNI's been calling it right. The OMNI is telling me to tell you, let's cool it off on buying for trading on Friday. So we will be selling the rallies in certain U.S. indices. Now you can see that all-time highs in the Russell 2000 is up here. And the market is down here. And that's not really where it needs to be if NASDAQ and even the S&P want to continue making new highs, because that's where they are in their all-time highs. But Russell says not on Friday. Let's sell the rallies. I agree. That's what we'll do. But let's go look at another chart. The Dow Transportation Average. Look at this one. All-time highs up here signified by this line. And we're down here. We're here. That doesn't look good to me at all. And if I wanted to not even stretch my imagination, but just use my eyes, I would end up calling this a head and shoulders. Wouldn't you? I mean, isn't that a head and shoulders right there? So we've got that happening, and the OMNI pointing towards the downside. Now we're talking about day trading, so we're going to look for a day trade in the U.S. indices by shorting rallies for trading on Friday. What else is out there? Well, the OMNI doesn't like this guy much either. The OMNI does not like the gold very much, and I don't blame it because it's falling out of this bear flag, right? Let me kind of show you what that is. This inside that circle is a bear flag. Gold has just fallen out of it for trading on Thursday, and the OMNI wants us to sell rallies if we could get a fill for trading on Friday. And what else is out there? Bitcoin traders. A lot of you have asked me about Bitcoin. So for the last couple of days, I've been showing you Bitcoin is at that good old-fashioned do or die level. Look all the way back here. Check this out. Do or die, does. Boom, holds. Gets back to the average and the bottom of the bull flag. We call that do or die moment. And it holds. It does. It doesn't die. Rallies up. Boom, comes back to that average. The OMNI says keep buying. We offer that as information. The market does hold. We're back here again, but the difference is I've got a red OMNI for trading. Well, let me do it this way. I've got a red OMNI for trading the U.S. indices, and they, no matter what anyone tells you, lead Bitcoin around. So if I've got a red OMNI in the indices and we're at that do or die level in Bitcoin, I have a feeling we're going to end up dying at that level tomorrow, not doing. We'll let the markets tell us that one day at a time. Also, the big news out there today was Elon Musk and Tesla. Now, Tesla received, or I should say Elon Musk received his blessing, God bless him, he deserves it, to receive his $48 billion pay package. He earned every dime of it, kids. He made more than that for everybody else. So, yes, he deserves it. And what did Tesla do today? Tesla went up before the news, which would be this bar right here. Here's what I don't like, and here's what I'm going to tell you about Tesla. I do not like when a market opens, runs up to a high, and then runs all the way back down and settles at its lows. I do not like a daily bar that looks like that. So here's what I will tell you. If somehow we get below that 200 bar moving average, Tesla is in trouble again. So what do I mean by that? Well, look at how it has been keeping Tesla in check. 200 bar moving average keeps it in check here, keeps it in check here, keeps it in check here, 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 finally gets above, but cannot maintain the bar, turns around and settles almost at the low of the day. I don't like that at all. If Tesla drops down here, it's ugly once again. I love the car. I love Elon Musk. I love the fact that they're giving him his money. That does not mean I love the chart, which I do not. So that's what I wanted to show you, traders. I hope that helps. Please come join me in my free live trading room at livewithoscar.com. I will start calling back the OMNI applicants as of today. If you would like to join me at OMNI, you simply have to go to OMNI BOOTCAMP and just fill out an application, and I will call you Friday and see if you'd like to come out. I'll qualify you for a seat. OMNIBootcamp.com. Fill out your applications if you want to come join me for a 5-night, 4-day extravaganza here in Las Vegas, where I'll teach you the Omni. That's called Omni Camp. Go to OMNIBootcamp.com right now. Fill out your applications. I'll be calling them back on Friday. For the rest of you, remember that I want you to keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do is learn how to come up with these Omni trades on your own. So at 3 in the morning when I send you a buy or sell signal, you don't have a heart attack. If you don't come to Omni Bootcamp and then come out to Vegas for me to teach you, then do this. Take the trades, put them on, and then say this to yourselves every time you get into a trade and you get scared. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Stop, soar, in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.